Welcome to WritersER, where we unravel the mysteries of academic writing and light your path through the challenging journey of dissertations, theses, and all things research related. Today, we're diving into a topic that touches the heart of every doctoral and PhD student, managing stress while writing your dissertation. Imagine this. The clock is ticking, your research seems never-ending, and the pressure is mounting. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? Writing a dissertation can feel like a Herculean task, demanding not just your intellectual effort, but also a heavy emotional toll. But fear not. We're here to arm you with simple, effective tips to help you cross the finish line with your sanity intact. First and foremost, recognize the signs of stress. Are you experiencing sleepless nights, irritability, or a lack of motivation? These are your body's ways of saying, hey, I need a break. And that's exactly where you should start. Taking regular short breaks is crucial. Step away from your desk, take a walk, or indulge in a hobby that relaxes you. These moments of respite are not wasted time. They're essential for your mental well-being. Next, let's talk about organization. A cluttered workspace reflects a cluttered mind. Dedicate a day to organizing your research, notes, and deadlines. Create a timeline and break your massive project into smaller, manageable tasks. Ticking off these tasks one by one not only propels you forward, but also provides a sense of accomplishment and control. Now on to a tip that might seem counterintuitive: limit your time. That's right, setting strict working hours for your dissertation work can actually boost productivity. Decide on a start and end time for each day and stick to it. By creating a routine, you'll find that your work becomes more focused and your free time truly free, devoid of guilt or the nagging feeling that you should be working. Connection is key. Isolation is a common feeling during this journey, but it doesn't have to be your reality. Connect with fellow students, join study groups, or participate in online forums, sharing your experiences, challenges, and victories with those on a similar path can provide support, motivation, and sometimes invaluable advice. Let's not forget the importance of physical health. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and enough sleep are not just good for your body, they're essential for your brain. Think of your body as the vessel carrying you through this academic journey. It needs to be cared for. Now, for a bit of a magic trick, visualization. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your success. Imagine submitting your dissertation, the weight lifting off your shoulders, and the sense of achievement. This practice can be a powerful motivator, turning your stress into a driving force. It's also crucial to maintain a positive dialogue with yourself. Replace self-criticism with self-compassion. Remind yourself of your achievements and the hard work you've already put in. You are capable, and you will get through this. Don't underestimate the power of a good laugh. Humor is a fantastic stress reliever. Watch a comedy, joke with friends, or read something lighthearted. A good laugh can break the tension and refresh your mind. Lastly, if you find yourself overwhelmed, seek professional help. There's absolutely no shame in consulting a therapist or counselor. Sometimes an outside perspective can provide clarity and strategies to manage stress more effectively. Remember, your dissertation is a significant milestone, but it's not the entirety of your life. Allow yourself to live, breathe, and find joy in the journey. The path to obtaining your doctorate is challenging, but with the right strategies, it can also be incredibly rewarding. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with a question. What strategies have you found most effective in managing stress during your dissertation journey? Share your experiences in the comments below. Your insights could be the beacon of light for someone else in the throes of their dissertation battle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WritersER for more content designed to make your academic journey a bit easier. We're here to support you every step of the way. Together, we can tackle this challenge and emerge victorious. Thank you for watching, and remember, you've got this.